Welcome back, ladies and gents. Welcome back to another video on the channel. So today we are going to be looking at adding a cool soundboard effect. Welcome back, ladies and gents. Welcome back to another video on the channel. So today we are going to be looking at the OBS Soundboard plugin, so you can do quick sounds like that on your stream. So let's get into. So we need to go to the OBS forums website for this section. I will link it in the description as well. It's Soundboard 1.0.3. Go to the downloads. There are a couple of bits down here which you will need to make sure you are up to date on. Just double check. If you do need to do any extra, then do it, or else this will work. So we're going to go to the downloads. There are a couple of ways. I would recommend, if you've only got one OBS, just use the installer. Simple, easy, job's a good one. If you're like me and you've got more than one, you will need to use the Windows zip. I find that is the best way. So download whichever suits you. Obviously there are a few other bits there, but definitely I use the installer first. If you've got multiple OBSs like me, excuse me, then use the Windows zip. So download that. We will quickly show you how to install it using the Windows zip folder in 2 seconds. So we're just going to open up. There we go. So you've downloaded it. You've extracted it. Double click into there. Just copy these two folders. Copy the data in the OBS plugin. Go to your OBS. Where is it? Just back a bit. So in this one it is a portable instance, and then we just paste them in there. I've already done it. Excuse me. So I'm not going to do it again, but make sure your OBS is closed as well. This is part of the reason why I'm not going to do it, because my OBS is open. And then just open up OBS. As you see here, we've already got one set up, so I'm just going to delete this. I'm just going to not delete it. That's it. Remove it. There we go. Yeah, I've been trying the app for a little while. So to make sure you've got it installed properly, which I obviously have, go to Docs and go to Soundboard. It will open up. You can dock this wherever you like. You can have it floating around if you like. You can have it down here, somewhere where it's easy access if needs be. We're just going to dock it in there. So you've got a few sections here. You've obviously got, when you right click on it, you can do filters as well. I've got no real need for that, but yeah, you can do advanced audio properties. I generally set this to monitor and output so you can actually hear it as well. And we can close that off. You then have got your volume slider here, so you can change the volume of the sounds that are playing from there. And then you've got this little settings cog, which... Oh, there we go. We're going to add a sound in first. So we're going to do wow, because that's the one I've got here. Downloads. I'm just going to add this one in here, and we're going to press OK. So that's now going to populate in the dock. So you can click it. Wow. And press it, and you can hear it. Wow. It will play wow. Obviously, you can do all the different sound effects. There are settings there, and that there is a view, so you can set what you see in the view. So you can have the volume there, you can have it off, and all that. But pretty much it's simple. The only other bit I would suggest maybe doing to make this easier is go to your hotkeys. Go to, now with the search it's so much easier. Oh, I've spelled it wrong. That was why it didn't work. Sound. And you can just set a hotkey. Just going to press W for this one. Apply. And now, we'll press. Oh, there's a conflict there because I pressed the wrong button. Let's just delete that. We don't need that one. I'm going to press apply. Press OK. Wow. And every time I press W. Wow. You're good. Good to go. Now, catch you all later. Make sure you do like and subscribe to the channel, and we will see you all in the next one. Peace out.